Alright, real quick, I just wanted to share something that I recently discovered. I oftentimes deal with complicated window matrices, sometimes much larger than these window schedules that have widths and height. And what I'm trying to do is use ChatGPT to be able to just quickly consolidate all of this information into a format that I can use in an Excel spreadsheet. So I'm just going to show you how I would do this. And I'm grabbing this right out of a plan set using Bluebeam software. So I'm highlighting all the data that I want. I'm copying it. I use the data Analyst, and I can start a new chat here. And I'm going to ask it, let's see, I want to create a window matrix that is capable of being downloaded to Excel with the following data. I want to organize it in a certain way. I want vertical columns, from left to right. Column 1, window type. Column 2, blank. Column 3, width in feet. Column 4, width in inches. Column 5, height in feet. Column 6, height in inches. Here is the data. I don't know what I'm spelling there. That needs to say window type. Here's the data. Paste. And give it to it. Now, as it's analyzing this data, I'm going to ask it to please identify any duplicate widths and heights and consolidate into one line item with all of the window marks in column 1. And once it's finished with the data I gave it, I'll make that request. We're almost there. As you can see, it's a lot of window types. the first time I did this, it actually offered a result that had no errors, so it's just kind of interesting to see what it does. Okay, there's just some type of a minor glitch, but I'm going to go ahead and give it this instruction to consolidate my information so I'm not dealing with tons and tons of information. And here it goes. This should be quicker. Alright, consolidated window matrix. Let's download it. And let's just open the file. Now here it is. Window type. Here. Width, height, and feet, height in inches. Now the reason why I do this is because it's super easy for me to grab this information here. There's a specific form. I just requested it to put this information in specifically so that I could copy and paste it into the form that I use all the time, which makes it easier for me personally, but you can request it to compile this information any way you like, and just to show you the level of accuracy. That was pretty quick. It was a lot quicker than I would be able to do it, but let's just see if I can split screen here and minimize this tab. So let's see here. $2070, AA 20610, B 2670. It's grabbed C, CF, F, Z, ZF, and ZG, combined them all into one line item like I requested. 3070 window. But as you can see, it took all of this data. I'm not sure exactly how many window types, but I would say it's easily probably close to 25 or 30 window types, and just that quickly took care of it for me.